Hi friends, myself Arun. I'm also just beginner to React.js. Even I don't know much deep, but it's okay fine. We will go through every topics. Eventually, I will also learn, and you will also learn. So it's like a mutual understanding, mutual studying, like that. So first, we will go through what is React. What is its purpose? Normally, like this huge topic, we need an introduction. But unfortunately, it will be damn boring. That I'm pretty sure. So here, the one way to get an idea, basic idea, is to make an React app. Then we'll go through all those questions and doubts that we have. So that makes us bit easier in understanding like that in React. So I'll prefer this method. It will be damn confusing first of all, and doesn't know any codes if he's a beginner. Those things will be there. That's fine, no issues. So we'll do one thing. First, we'll use this link. So for that, I will go to my browser. Then I will hit the link like goo.gl slash t6 set capital Q 9 Q. When I hit, it will open a code pen. It's like an online tool basically. It helps us to create a small tiny React applications, and it will be easy. It is pretty easy to make it. It's not professional way, just for a learning student purpose we are using this tool. So here, this tool will be using in progress actually. Our studies are going right, mean to say our studies will keep on go. Eventually this tool will be, we will keep on using it. So for this React application, first we need to add our external libraries. And the first point is React is an external library, so we need to import the external library. For that, we need to go to settings. The right top is there. On right top corner, settings will be there. Here you choose JavaScript. Here if you see, you can, there is a search option for your external library. If we want to import my jQuery, see, jQuery will be there like that. So in this case, I am importing our React. So if I choose React, there will be two options, React DOM and React. So I will introduce React first, then I'll search for React DOM. That also I will import it. So I'm pretty sure you will be confusing why there are two React and React dummy. What is the use? Why we are including all this? These questions will be there. That's fine actually. That I will go through. As I said, I will go through it every topic. So right now I have imported React and React DOM. Then I close the application. So now we have included our external libraries to this application. And if you see, there are three panels. HTML is there, CSS is there, and JavaScript is there. And if you see JavaScript, there is already an function it is defined here. And in our purpose, which we shouldn't change it actually, or don't delete anything. We are going to use that function. So let it be there like that. So we are not going to make any changes to that function. We plan to call that function. That's it. So now it's our time to write some React code and some CSS to that, and creating one HTML ID, and we'll show some output. And there is no goal in that again. Just want to introduce some React code. That's it. And as I said, it will be damn confusing, and so much doubt will be there. Those things are okay actually. As a beginner, you should ask doubt, and there should confusion also should be there. Anyway, I will explain you all the topics, and I will clarify the doubts also. So right now, I will create a class. Instance react dot component. So here I'm creating an object state style 1, and I'm creating an empty object here. I will create one more object style 2, that also will be an empty object. So this object I have created, then I will use render function, render, then here I will return I will return a div here, okay, div, I will return, then inside that I will so inside this div I will create two more divs. The first div has a class name of panel, then style, that will be in this dot state dot style 1. So the same, I will close this div. The same way I will create another div of same class name panel with same style, this dot state dot, here I use style to object, then I'll close my div here. Okay, so my this device closed here. Okay, this looks fine. So here, before this render method, I will use one function on mouse move. So in this function I'll pass an event, and using arrow functions, this is a function actually, it's called arrow function, and in ES2 2015 or ES6 we have introduced this function. It's pretty, it's better to go through the ES6 so you will get an idea of arrow functions. Even though you don't know, it's fine, we will go through it, and later we will give you all these explanations why we are using these functions, why we are using these keywords like that. So we will explain you everything. Right now you don't have to worry. It's better actually if you go to ES6, so you will get an idea. I prefer, even though it doesn't matter, we'll explain it anyway later. So this dot state object I will create here, there will be two. Style 1 I'm changing to use that function transform, and I need to pass that offset value for that event slash client x. So event dot client x here slash event dot client y. So same way we'll create, we'll set another object set to So here don't forget to use capital X and capital Y, that I will explain you later. Now this mouse move we need to use it in our div here. So for that, on mouse move, I'm saying this dot on mouse move. So right now I created a component here, React component. Now I need to use this React component in my HTML. So for that I'm using React DOM dot render. So here I'll pass my first argument, it's my component. Then I need to choose the ID of the HTML. So document dot query selector, and I will give the ID root. Then so I have written some React code here and don't get confused. So as I mentioned, I will explain everything later. So for this we need to create one HTML. You need to create one ID actually, which we'll be loading this component into this ID HTML, and we need to add some CSS for that. I'm mentioning height for 100 VH, then width also I'm giving some 100 VH. Then we have used one panel class in our React. So for that panel I'm giving some CSS styling, like position I'm mentioning as absolute. Then I'm giving a box shadow also as 0 50 pixel, and color I thought of giving gray. Then here if you see, there's an assets one button is there at the left, bottom left actually, bottom left corner. Just click on that assets. Here you will see more tabs like color, photos, patterns, icons, fonts, everything will be there. So you click on pattern, you see some different patterns will be there. So right now in our application I'm just choosing one random pattern, just for demo purpose I'm choosing the first one. So it says copy to clipboard. So after clicking here you can mention copy to clipboard. So the pattern has been copied, you just paste it here. That's it. So this is our sample React application. So as I mentioned, so we have created one sample React application, then in CodePen, and we will see what's output comes. So this is my sample application as I mentioned, and we have written some code here, and so for that from CSS also we have mentioned, and this is the output which we get. It's fine, looks like there is no goal in that, just want to see how the React works, all these things. And I'm pretty sure that you will be having a number of doubts. That's fine, we'll clear it off later. So you just try it and try to get the output also. If you are not getting, you are getting white screen, that is fine. we will help you to sort this out.